Number 5. Proof of teleportation. Taken on a highway in Russia, a video shows a man appearing out of nowhere. In the video, a truck is seen to be going on the highway. Nothing seems weird about it at first. After a few seconds, a man just appears on the road. He appeared to come from the side of the truck, dressed in a white coat, something that seems like a doctor's coat. Weird enough, he walks to the side of the road as if nothing happened. It can be seen that the truck shows an illogical movement pattern, which can be described as close to a zigzag movement just before the appearance of the man. The driver himself is taken aback and stops the truck. Number 4. Man who vanishes through walls. In an alley, a man is seen to be able to literally walk right through the walls of a store. A homeless man by the trash is seen startled as he witnesses the phenomenon. The man is first seen to come through the walls and later seen to go back to the same place. In the CCTV security footage, the date stamp flickers between 2016 and 2019 every time the man is caught in the act of vanishing through the walls. Other than that specific time, the date stamp shows 2016 only. Number 3. Man stops car with his bare hands. In Russia, a man was witnessed stopping a skidding car with his bare hands. The car was skidding down a road. 2 men were seen trying to stop it, but in vain. The first man is seen trying to stop the car from moving from the side of the vehicle. While he manages to stay in contact with the car for quite a few seconds, the second man who intervened was seen to slip and fall almost immediately. The man with the superpower, however, came out of nowhere and was able to stop the car from crashing into another vehicle. He was seen doing this using his hands only. Number 2. Man with a halo. A guy wearing a hoodie and looking down while walking caught the attention of people as a sort of halo was seen around his face. The halo seemed to have appeared suddenly and unexpectedly, even to the young man. The bright ring of light around the back of his head made people gasp in astonishment. People are seen to be going after him and calling out to even more audience. After realizing what is happening, the man started running. He ran quite a distance before disappearing into thin air. Just before he disappears, a bright light, resembling the same as the first halo that was seen, appears again. Number 1. Disappearing man in a library. The scene seems to have taken place in a library or a bookstore. In the video, a man is first seen to be chasing something. He stops when he sees another man in a yellow jacket. The latter seems to be surprised as well and simply vanishes into thin air. The book that he was holding even falls to the floor as the man disappears. Several people got to witness the scene and were utterly shocked. Perplexed as to what really happened, nobody could say a word. The man shown at the beginning seems to have witnessed the same thing previously, hence was following the mysterious man.
Тарзан. Афон. А теперь ко мне. Ко мне, Тарзан. Ко мне, я говорю. Тарзан. Тарзан, я сказал. Тарзан, ко мне. Что это? Тихо, тихо, Тарзан. Тарзан, тихо, тихо, Тарзан. Что это было?